Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to translate your native language into 10 different languages with one click using ChatGPT as a language translation tool. If you have never used ChatGPT, follow along. You need to sign up by visiting chatgpt.com. Otherwise, skip this part. You can either use your email or Gmail address to sign up. Next, enter your password for your email address, verify your email, and then click the Verify Email Address button. In the following step, enter your first name, last name, and date of birth, and click Continue. Next, enter your phone number and click Send Code. You will soon receive a code through a text message. Enter the code into the box. Once the code has been sent, you will see the ChatGPT page with a pop-up message. Read it and click on the OK, Let's Go button, and you are ready to use the power of artificial intelligence. In this tutorial, I use Google Chrome to access ChatGPT 4.0. You may want to use Safari or Firefox. If you use Mac OS, you can download the ChatGPT desktop app for Mac. I will leave the download link in the description box of this video for you to access. To translate your text into a different language, type your prompt into the ChatGPT message field. For example, you could ask to translate the following text into French. We use the finest ingredients in our products. Then press enter on your keyboard or click the arrow. Here is the translation in French.
If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell for more. Thank you.
To translate your text into 3, 5, or 10 different languages, you don't need to write a separate prompt for each language like this one. Instead, write your prompt, separate each language by a comma, and press enter on your keyboard or click the arrow and wait for ChatGPT AI to translate your text into multiple languages. As you can see, ChatGPT translated my sentence into 10 different languages. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on the LT Lucid Tutorials logo and sharing the video link with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.